Hey there, this is Millie, Head of Customer Success at Visiwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tags, how to assign shipments, and how to customize your dashboard and create different lists based on different criteria. So let's dive in. As you know, on Visiwise, you can give tags to your shipments. And by giving tags to your shipments, you can categorize your shipments and group them. I'm going to tell you some examples that how some other people are using tags, and then you can figure out how you can use it by yourself. Some people give import and export tag to shipments. Like, for example, this is an export shipment, so in the column tags, I put export. This is a shipment from Long Beach to China, so I tag this shipment as export. You can tag your Incoterms to the shipment. The way that you can do that is quite simple. You can come to this tag column and click here. If you have already given some tags to your shipments, you can select the tag that you have already used, or you can easily give another tag to this shipment. For example, I will tag this shipment as CFR, as the Incoterm that I am using for this shipment. And because CFR is a new tag, I would create it. Now that I created this tag, CFR will be among my tags, and for other shipments, I can use it easily. I tag CFR for this one as well, and that's it. The other thing is that you can assign shipments to yourself and your team members, so people can follow up shipments. For example, this export shipment, which was from United States to China, I am going to assign this to myself and my colleague Max, who is going to handle the shipments. So once you assign shipments, you can go ahead and create a custom view for yourself based on the assignees, and people can follow the shipments. How you can do that? It's quite simple. You can come to this all filters section and then go to assignee and then select yourself. So once you click on this apply and show result, the list will be a list of shipments that you are among the assignees. What you can do is that you can save this view. So in the future, once you come to the dashboard, you already have this view saved and you don't need to apply any other filters. There are other ways to use filters as well, like you can select port of loading, select port of discharge. So in these cases, it will just show you shipments in specific routes. For example, choose Halifax as one of my port of discharges. And once I apply this filter, it will show me the shipments that are heading to Halifax. If I come here, I can see that yes, I have different shipments from different places, from India and other locations that are going to Halifax. And what I can do, I can save this view. I would write Halifax shipments, and just for beauty purposes, I will add the Canada flag here. And what you can do is that you can share this view with others as well. You can put it in a way that your team members can see this view, or even your customers and your team members can see the view. I just put it for my team members. So once I click on save view, this Halifax view is added to my saved view up in here. As you can see, I have different views. I have one view for shipments that are heading to Vancouver. I have another one that we just created together here for the shipments that are heading to Halifax. The other way to customize your dashboard is to play around with the order of these tables. For example, in my Halifax view, I don't care about ETD, so I would I would remove this column from here. I can come to table view and just disable ETD. What I care is ETA, so I put it next to my port of discharge, and I care about my warehouse delivery date, and I care about who the client is. So I put it in here. And then I can come here and save changes. So the way I see my shipments, I see port of loading, port of discharge, ETA, and my warehouse delivery date. I have my client here as well, and it would be saved in my Halifax view. So to recap, we learned how to give tags and group our shipments with specific criteria. We learned how to use different filters on Visiwise to find shipments and manage our shipments easier, and we learn how to create different lists to save our time for the time that we want to check specific shipments. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to export the information into an Excel file. So whenever you need the information, you can have them in your Excel to share it as a report or to use it in any other systems that you use. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.